How to make money on TikTok 2022. Are you trying to figure out how you can make money on TikTok? Well, don't worry, I've got it covered in this video. All I want from you is to stick to this video to the end because I'm going to show you 4 different ways for you to make money on TikTok. Welcome to Roladel Business. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on TikTok. There is so much opportunity on TikTok right now. People don't really understand how to go about it. But before we get into it, if you are new here and you like videos about making money online, working from home and entrepreneurship, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification down below. This lets you know whenever I post a new video to all my subscribers. So, without taking much of your time, let's get right into the content. Alright, so this right here is the Roladel TikTok account. As you can see, with over 7,000 followers on the account. So, as you can see, it actually has an official Roladel website link here. After you have 10,000 followers, you can actually add a link right here so that you can send someone over to a website or YouTube videos. So the first way that you can make money on TikTok is after you have 1,000 followers. You can go live, your followers can actually donate coins to you, and those coins turns into something that they call diamonds. And those diamonds can then be converted into money, into PayPal cash. And after you have 10,000 of this diamond, you can cash out. 10,000 diamonds is equivalent to $50. If you want more information on how the coins work, you can go to TikTok app and check it, or you can Google how the TikTok coin work and you will find everything you need. The users have to be 18 years or older to purchase the coins and to give you the gifts. I've heard instances where people have made $300 per day doing this. That is kind of crazy. You can get dressed and go to work for 8 hours and not make $300. You can go live on air and talk to people online and make $300 anyway. That is the first way, but we have a whole lot of ways that you can actually monetize and actually make money on TikTok. That I'm also going to show you as well in this video. Another way to monetize your TikTok account would be with affiliate marketing. If you have a specific sort of a niche that you like to work in, if you want to start a TikTok account about health, fitness, or cooking, e-marketing is working out on TikTok right now. For example, let's take a look at relationship niche. So, I'm showing ClickBank because it's absolutely free for you to get started and you don't have to wait to be approved for any of these programs. You can just start promoting after you sign up for free. If you are putting helpful TikTok videos that talk about secret relationships, then if you want to promote one of these relationship products, you can actually do that. So, that is another way to monetize. It would be affiliate marketing where you are promoting someone else's product and you are gaining a commission. By doing so, you can attach your affiliate link to your TikTok, or you can create another page, a website or a landing page that will lead them to the actual product. So, this is definitely another way to monetize your TikTok account. Hey! If you like the content so far and you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to this channel now. And also, like this video if you do like it. Alright, well, let's keep going on though. So number 3 is going to be with print on demand and merchandise. You can actually start doing this for absolutely free. You can create print-on-demand products on a website like PT Sprinkles. You can see you can design t-shirts, leggings, hats, bags. And now over here, it looks like they have stickers as well. And this is really powerful. If there's a phrase or something that you can put on a t-shirt, or if it's something relatable and funny that your TikTok account is about, you can go ahead and start designing on here. This is absolutely free. All of the packaging and shipping and making of the shirt is done by Teespring. Or you would be responsible for pricing and the designing of the merchandise, and you can definitely promote the stuff on TikTok, so you can definitely make money with print on demand and TikTok. You could do that here on Teespring. There are also other ones that you can use, which is the last one in our list. The next way to make money with TikTok is with brand deals. TikTok actually has a creator marketplace that you can check it out and browse on creatormarketplacetiktok.com. This actual website is going to be for brands to look for creators so that they can work with each other. Now, in order for you to be part of the creator marketplace and for your profile to be on here, you actually need to be invited by TikTok. It will show up in your notifications and you have to have a certain amount of followers. The one TikTok creator that I looked at said that she was asked to participate when she had over 200,000 and the companies that she worked with actually paid her between $50,000 to $1,000 per post that she did for them. And that is a whole lot of money for 1 minute of work or less than a minute of work. If you haven't reached that many followers, that is totally fine because you can work with brand deals on your own outside of the TikTok marketplace. You can reach out to the ones that you like. You can work with other ones so you can easily create a media kit and have that put together for brands that you want to work with in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you found it helpful. Leave a comment down below. Also subscribe if you haven't subscribed already and like this video. Alright, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.